Ever heard of that spare change magically turning into investments? Yeah, me too. That's the promise of Raiz, the app that lets you invest your everyday purchases roundups. But have you ever wondered who's behind the curtain making this financial sorcery happen? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the ownership of Raiz, exploring the masterminds who built this wealth-building platform. So, buckle up and get ready to separate fact from financial fiction. From acorns to Raiz, a company in bloom. Raiz wasn't always Raiz. It actually started under the name Acorns Grow Australia, a subsidiary of a much larger Australian financial technology company called Raiz Invest Limited. This publicly traded company, listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, under the code RZI, is the true owner of the Raiz app. The man at the helm, Brendan Malone. Leading the charge at Raiz Invest Limited is Brendan Malone, the managing director and CEO. With over 2 decades of experience in financial institutions like Royal Bank of Scotland and ABN AMRO, Malone brings a wealth of knowledge to the table. A global reach, Raiz beyond Australia. Raiz doesn't just cater to our Aussie mates. They've set their sights on global domination, with a presence in Indonesia and Malaysia as well. In these regions, Raiz operates as a subsidiary under the parent company, Raiz Invest Limited. This allows them to tailor their services to specific regional needs and regulations. The puppet master behind the scenes, Permodalan Nasional Berhad, PNB. Now, things get interesting. Raiz Invest Limited itself isn't an independent entity. It's a subsidiary of a Malaysian powerhouse called Permodalan Nasional Berhad, also known as PNB. PNB, a Malaysian financial giant. PNB is no slouch. It's one of the biggest fund management companies in Malaysia, boasting billions in assets under management and millions of account holders. With this backing, Raiz gains access to immense resources and expertise, fueling its global expansion. Why does ownership matter? So, why should you care who owns Raiz? Transparency and trust are paramount when it comes to your finances. Knowing who's behind the app gives you a sense of security and understanding of their motivations. A look at the leadership, are they on your side? By researching the ownership and leadership of Raiz, you can assess if their values align with your financial goals. Do they prioritize user growth or responsible investment strategies? This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about where you entrust your hard-earned cash. Beyond ownership, exploring Raiz features. Of course, ownership is just one piece of the puzzle. Raiz offers a variety of features like automated roundup investments, diversified portfolios, and recurring contributions, making it an attractive option for many. Do your research, it's your money after all. Remember, Raiz isn't the only player in the micro-investing game. Before diving in, explore other apps, compare features, and understand their ownership structures. It's your money, and taking control through research ensures you choose the platform that best suits your needs. There you have it, folks. The mystery of Raiz ownership is solved. With a clear understanding of who's running the show, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. What are your thoughts on Raiz ownership structure? Share your experiences with micro-investing apps in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building that financial nest egg.